Okay. Next, she needs some arms. Arms. Licorice. And red. Actually, we'll give her pink. We'll go with the lighter pink. Okay, so for arms and legs, we'll stick one in here. Let's see, can we see the other part here? Now we'll pretend like one arm is over on the other side, kind of coming in the back. And then we'll have two little legs with booties on right here. Booties, shoes, whatever you want to call them. Yeah, I'll have to cut this one. Okay, so we're going to do pink. So I'm going to take a little bit of the pink. Okay, roll it into a ball. And then a little bit more of a cone shape and kind of flatten it. And then take something like this or a toothpick and just kind of make a little place where that would be the thumb. You see that there? And then what we need to do is place it over, actually let's make a little hole here. Back of the paintbrush, make a little hole. Like that. Place a little water inside. And place it over the licorice. Okay, like that. And for the little shoes, a little bit bigger piece. Take some pink, roll it more into a cone, like that, and then we'll hold on to this and kind of lift this up. Then what we can do is take this and insert it, so that's the leg going into the little booty baby, and go ahead and insert that into the body. Okay, so there's one there. And she would have one more back here, which there's not really any room to put a leg, but we'll just go ahead and put a little boot back there. Okay, and you can't really see the other side too much, but we'll go ahead and put one like right in that corner. This is the hard part, trying to get it in there. So what I'll do is I'll kind of set it down and then use the back of the paintbrush here to kind of push it in there. Okay, like so. Okay, now for his, you can't really see his. We could just do one back there, and his would be red. Okay, what we could do is have one arm of his coming out. So we'll have it coming out from back here. So just kind of poke that into his head. And again, we'll kind of have to watch that. I might end up kind of resting it down there on the base a little, because it's a little heavy. Super cute. We could even have one of his arms coming out from behind here. Like he's holding on to the card, he's opening it. So for that, let me turn this around so you can see. Pop it right in here. Just kind of have that hanging out like that. And over the licorice. And then this one, so you'll wrap it around like he's opening the card.